guys, welcome back to our RC. So recently I'm very into monster truck, so I just got myself a mini 4-wheel drive lunchbox, and there'll be a bigger one coming as well. I'll assemble this first and see how it looks, and I've already printed all the 3D printed parts to make this RC version as well. As usual, Tamiya has very nice graphic on their boxes. Look at this, man. It's always so nice, and it's worth it to even just purchase it simply for the graphic on the packaging, so you can just display it among your collection. So now let's unbox. As usual, the Tamiya style of kit. So really big monster truck wheels, tires, the drivetrain, chassis, wheels, the plastic parts. Pretty straightforward and a simple build, so I'm gonna build this and show you the time lapse. So there's a manual here. Awesome, let's do this. Oh, there's speaker as well. That's nice, man. Oh, quality is very nice as usual, made in Japan. We're gonna start with the body first. If you're wondering where is this C2, it's actually in the wheel back. It's being used to secure your black color windscreen. Windscreen is secured. We are done with the body. Next would be the chassis and the motor. Alright, this is so simple to build. Just a few minutes and we have a chassis already running. This is really super easy, man. A lot easier, a lot less complicated than WPL RC. Alright, it's done. This looks so cute. Maybe you can't see how cool it is on the video, but I highly recommend you to get one. This looks really, I mean, the scale is really spot on. It's really nice, the stance. Now I hope, man. Actually, the big one that I'm getting is actually the Super Cloud Buster, but looks like now the lunchbox, the bigger version of RC lunchbox, looks pretty good too. Damn. Then I got some extra parts here. I'm not sure what if for, as it's not mentioned in the manual. Maybe this is the front bumper, but there's no point for me to hold this up. So I think you do need to add grease inside this. I'll do it later. It's actually damn fast, man, so maybe I got a very good analog battery in it. So this definitely need to be an RC, man. Oh my god. Oh. That's the 1/16 scale WPL C54, and then we have got the Audi, very classic vintage Audi here from I think 20 years ago, another monster truck. And then we have this mini 4-wheel drive series lunchbox here, and size comparison. Wow, I'm really happy to be doing this for a living. Thanks guys. So I'll shoot a video separately after this, after I've converted it to a RC chassis. So thank you so much for watching. Rather different content as the usual one. YouTube says 95% of you guys have not subscribed. So if you're watching this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.